Today's video is sponsored by Bob and Brad, the pocket-sized massage gun. Get yours on Amazon today by using the link below. Use code BobBrad16 for 10% off your purchase. Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to a brand new video. So today we are testing out some new makeup. If you guys have missed any of my past hauls, I will try to link them up here. If not, I'm sure you can just take a look back and see them. So I have my little, what do you call this? Box, my little stash of makeup, and we're going to try out everything that I hauled in my Ulta video from my MAC powder. I have some new She Glam powder foundation, new lashes. We have the new L'Oreal Infallible blushes, as well as some of the new Milani liquid lipsticks. And I have other makeup that I wanted to share with you that I've been really enjoying for the past month or so. So it's a little bit of everything, high-end, drugstore, and then a little bit of like April favorites thrown in there. So I hope you guys are excited for today's video. Thank you so much for being here. You already know, grab your cafecito. And with that said, let's jump right into today's full face testing new drugstore and high-end makeup. Hi besties, popping in here to bring you a word from today's sponsor, Bob and Brad. So if you guys don't already own a massage gun, you are sleeping on it, okay? Mother's Day is coming up and this is literally the best gift. If somebody gave this to me, I would be forever thankful to that person. Bob and Brad literally reinvented the massage gun game. The best thing about Bob and Brad is that they made it mini size, which for me, it is perfect. It comes with 5 portable heads. This one is great for all over the body. The bullet head works well if you want to target a specific area. For example, I suffer from a lot of pain right here on my neck, and that's where I use it because it really targets the area. If you have a specific knot, ooh, this will get it. It is lightweight, it is portable, you can take it with you. It comes with a charger. All you have to do is charge it from the bottom. Once it's fully charged and ready to go ahead and select whichever one you want. For example, my favorite one is the bullet head. You want to grab it and insert it right here. You just twist it and boom, it's on. On the back right here, you just hold it. It has 5 speed levels depending on the intensity. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. If you're looking for the perfect gift to give to your mom, to give to your wife, trust me, this is a product that they are going to love you for. So you check out the link in the description box down below. It will take you directly to their Amazon page. Don't forget to use BobBrad16 to save 10% off your order. Thank you so much for sponsoring today's video. Now let's jump right into today's video. Okay, let's jump right in. A storm is coming. I can literally hear the thunder just like roaring. Texas rainstorms are seriously the best. Like, that is my favorite thing about living in Texas is I love the thunder. I love the rain. I'm going to start off by concealing these dark circles. This is, I think it's new. I just got this in PR. It's by the brand Lottie London, which can be found at some Walmarts. It is the Bright Bounce Under Eye Brightening Concealer. I believe they have a light and a medium. I only have the light, so if it's too light, it is what it is. It has a really nice peachy undertone. So I'm just going to take a little bit and I'm going to tap it right here. It's definitely a little too light. It's leaning a little pink. But hey, pink is a trend under the eyes, which is not really my thing. But to each their own. We're going to try it either way. So we're going to go ahead and tap that in. I immediately can tell you that this is not a product that I can see myself using, which is okay. We're not always going to like things that we try out. So yeah, this is going to be a pass for me. But let's move on to primer. So I'm going to show you guys my current go-to primer that I've been using. I've been starting off my almost like skincare routine using my Glow Recipe Strawberry BHA Pore Smooth Blur drops. These are really nice if you have oily skin and texture because it helps kind of just even and balance the skin, and it also mattifies it. It doesn't leave it super matte, but it does tone it down. And then what I've been doing is I go with my Tarte Shape Tape, the Timeless Smoothing Primer. So this primer really does a great job at just really making the skin look flawless if you have large pores. I take a little bit, and I'm going to use that same brush that I used for the concealer. And just in the areas where I mainly need for it to look smooth, if you will. And sometimes if I'm breaking out and I have texture on the forehead, I'll take a little bit and dab it. So anywhere you have texture and you want to hide it, take a little bit of this or whatever primer you love, and just go in and tap it in. And then we're gonna go in and mattify the skin even more. This is a very crucial step for me because I am extremely oily. Right now I am using the One Size Beauty primer. This is the Secure the Sweat Dry Till Dawn primer. So all I do is I take a tiny bit. You really don't need much. I know I've spoken about this product before, and it's one of those products that has kind of grown on me. As you can see, this is literally what's coming out of the tube. So I just take whatever's coming out of there. I scrape it on the back of my hand. I still don't like the way it smells, by the way. And I'll kind of just work it on the back of my hand, and then I'll take my fingers and I'll just dab it on the forehead. So if you suffer from a sweaty head, this would be perfect for you, especially for the upcoming summer, so you don't melt your makeup. I'm gonna have to test this on my mom because my mom sweats so much. Like, she doesn't even wear makeup because she sweats so much from her head. For today, I will be using my Luminous Silk Perfect Glow Flawless Foundation, aka Giorgio Armani. I think I've used this a few times on my channel, but somebody asked me like what my thoughts are. This is a really good lightweight, non-oily type of foundation if you do have greasy skin. I love the fact that it is so lightweight on the skin that it just, I don't know, it's really easy to wear. So I'm just going to grab some. I did end up using this little coaster for my foundation, and I'm going to go in with my sponge and tap it in. If I want more full coverage with this foundation, then I'll go in with a brush, but today we're just going to keep it a little bit lighter. And I only use about maybe 3 pumps for my whole face. I'm going to take a little bit more and press it in. So there it is. As you can see, super full coverage. It just looks so nice on the skin. I like to take the little butt side of the sponge, and I just kind of like... Now for my powder foundation, I am using the new She Glam Skin Focus High Coverage Powder Foundation in the shade Butterscotch. If you have the She Glam Skinfluencer Balm Foundation, I am in the shade Golden. This is going to be a match for you. This is such a pretty powder foundation. I've already used it on its own, and it looks super, super nice. It's super silky, full coverage. It's lightweight, and it just wears really nicely on the skin. But today I'm just going to layer it on top of my already full coverage foundation. As you can see, it instantly kind of like mattifies the skin, but it also just gives it a really nice soft effect. And I just tap it on the nose. Look at that. Again, you guys, I don't know what happened here, but apparently I did not record a lot of the clips applying the new matte bronzer as well as the L'Oreal blush. I am so sorry, but again, enjoy these clips bit because these are insanely pigmented. I do wish they would have had like a bright coral, like a true peach, because this is leaning more pink. That would look so stunning, but it is what it is, and this is still beautiful, okay? Look at that. Oh, chef's kiss. Okay, so let's add a little bit of highlight, and I'm going to show you guys what highlighter I've been using for the past month-ish. Oh my gosh, I have the worst toothache. I need to go get my teeth checked out, and I need to make an appointment ASAP because it's really hurting me. Anyways, so this is the Highlight Fluid Light Lock. This is by About Face, which is Halsey's brand. I'm going to take some to the butt of the sponge. And then take it right here. I'm gonna set the skin, and I just got this in the mail again from Lottie London. It is the Stay Matte AF setting spray, alcohol free with niacinamide and green tea extract. Green tea. Okay. Now this is supposed to be matte, so hopefully it does mattify the skin. I'm going to use my little fan. I bought this at Walmart, by the way. While I wait for this to dry down, I'm going to go ahead and apply some eyeliner, apply mascara, and then I will be using my friend's lashes, the She Lashed lashes. Not sure the style that I'm going to go with, but I mean, they're all gorgeous, so we'll see. So for the lip liner, I am going to use the She Glam lip liner in the shade, or it's called So Lippy lip liner. That's a cute name. And this is in Java, I believe. And then for my liquid lipstick, I'm going to try out one of the Milani liquid lipsticks. My hair's a mess, you guys. I don't even feel like fixing it. It's like way too late. I am going to use the shade at 10 out of 10. Oh, that is so pretty. Okay. That dries down super nicely. I really like this formula so far. Okay, so for lashes, I ended up going in with the She Buchona style, which, oh my gosh, these whole lashes, you guys, are just so beautiful. So here is the final look. I know I didn't do eyeshadow today. I just didn't have a new palette, but I'm actually gonna go to Ulta right now, and hopefully I can come across some new palettes. Leave me your suggestions on what videos you guys want to see next. I really quickly wanted to point out that if you guys come across the Lottie London Stay Matte AF setting powder or setting spray, oh my goodness, this stuff made my skin so matte. Like, it just evened it out and it made it look so beautiful. Wow, I was not expecting to like this at all, honestly. I'm very surprised, and I'm definitely going to keep this in rotation in my makeup. What else? Of course, the blushes that we talked about from L'Oreal are just absolutely stunning. Honestly, I think I liked everything from today's try on. So let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. I cannot wait to hear from you. Let's talk in the comment section, have some conversations. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Give this video a thumbs up, and please leave a comment because it just kind of helps with the algorithm and with YouTube. So with that said, thank you all for being here. I love you. Stay safe. And until next time, I'll see you guys in my next video.